Hey guys, this is the gas company out here, and what we're looking at is they have to replace the gas meter because they do a routine maintenance check and they had a gas leak. So we got a 1-inch line coming into the house that they replaced for me, and they're over tapping into the main. They have a coupling to get at in the middle of the street, so that's why they're digging a hole in the middle of the street. They couldn't tap it, so I'm going T, and then it goes down here to the furnace, and they got a brass valve, so that's off to the furnace. Anyway, that pipe continues across here to a T there. So I did a pressure test and put soap bubbles, micro bubble test, and I had bubbles coming out of this here yesterday, and I had bubbles coming out of this fitting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it out, or I've got to take everything loose down from the water heater, which they've got to, most of the time they went to change these old brass valves out too. So the old brass valve is easily leaked. That one's off. So I'm going to take that off and put a new one on. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tool here, and I'm going to cut. I'm going to cut because I can't get nothing off. There's no unions in this system, so I'm going to cut this fitting out right there. That fitting right there. That's a 3/4 by 1/2 inch. So I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to put another union in there. I'm going to put a 3/4 union, the not a step down, but a reducer fitting in there. And that's in this box. I bought some fittings, so you have to go to the supply store, and you do this for a living. You know where the supply stores are. Wholesale the supply. So just 3/4. Put that adapter in there. That adapter screws in there. You gotta use Teflon tape, and I use Blue Magic or some kind of thread seal. You got to, or you'll have leaks. You can use Teflon on top of it to make it extra sure that you got it. So anyway, that's a little bit about what I do. You can see the assortment of wrenches. I use some wrenches, and I have lots of fittings from other jobs. But anyway, the tool, I use a Hitachi there with a diamond tip cutter on it, cutting through tile or steel. So that's my way of fixing this. And I'm a state licensed contractor, so that's what gets you into jobs. Most of the time, these jobs are warranted through the gas company. So I'll be on this, and I'll take a picture of it later when I'm done. After I do the pressure test, make sure it's all good. Dave, HVAC guy, plumbing and heating. I'm in Columbus Grove. You can reach me at 419-937-6964. I am Dave. And if you want to see what I look like, yeah, okay. Anyway, that's what I do. I put these things in here, furnaces and water heaters. These things, install these, so enjoy it. It's a lot of fun. All right, talk to you later. Checking it at 13.5.
I just pumped it up. That's where it landed. I can let some out, whatever you want to do.
Well, that's plenty, because that's where they have. Are you guys in the middle of the line or the end of the line? Or?
But that's kind of what I was going for. You know how they go like that. I just shut the valve and it landed there. We can let some off or do whatever you want to do.